If we look at the data sheet for this project tasks, we can find that the data model is not optimized. All columns do exist in the same table. Columns like project, task name, start and end date, status, assigned to, and so on do exist in the same place. In this video, we will create a data model composed of different objects related to projects. The following data structure is proposed to have a better data model. Team members can be involved in multiple projects. Each project can have multiple tasks or milestones. A task belongs to a project and optionally to a milestone or a team member. Each task can have links and to-dos, and finally a team member may have to-dos items. To create the data model, we will utilize a tool available in Apex called Quick SQL. Let's go to SQL Workshop, SQL Scripts, and then click on Quick SQL. Quick SQL provides a quick way to generate the SQL required to create a relational data model from an indexed text document. For example, to create a table, we will use team_members, and then we'll use indentation to start creating the different columns like username, full name, email, phone. A different table, projects, can come underneath that with two columns, name and budget. If you click on the Help button, you can see that there are different data types available that you can use. For example, for number, you use num or number, and VC followed by a digital number to create a varchar. Let's add a data type number for the column budget. If we hit Generate SQL, we'll find that the column has been added with the right data type. Going back to Help, we have different table directives like /insert, where you can insert sample data. For team members, if I put /insert 100, I will have 100 rows. All these rows are created for us automatically with sample data. Column directives include unique key, check, values, lower, upper, not null, and foreign key or references. I'm not going to type all the data model here, and instead I'll copy and paste. This is the full data model for our Quick SQL. We have different tables. We use indentation to create the relation of master detail. We have column directives like /insert, different table directives like not null, and different data types. We even have view, project tasks. We can go to settings and put an object prefix. Let's put video, and change the primary key to 12C identity data type, and the date data type to timestamp with local time zone. Will include audit columns and row version number. We can include even the drop statements. We can set the compatibility to 18C, and here we can even change the auditing columns. Hitting generate will actually create our data model. You can notice that the different audit columns have been added, and the prefix video has been added to each object. Let's save our SQL script. We'll call it video. We'll review and then run our SQL script. Once you run it, you should be able to have 217 successful statements. We can now create our application from the objects created for us. Let's call it video projects. Change the appearance to red, change the icon and the color of the icon. Save the changes And here we have all the pages created for us. We can add some features like about page access control and etc. and hit create application. And in a few seconds we will have our application ready, reflecting the data model that we have created. Let's run our application, and we will see that there are different pages representing our data model. Look how the pages are respecting the data types. So for example, if a phone number you try to put character, you will have an error. Photo will be file, so you can select your file automatically. You can navigate to projects page, and you have a completed date as a date picker and a project lead as a select list. Each of those components have been generated automatically for us. The engine will pick the right item based on the data type, and will create a full app from the data model we created in SQL. Thank you for watching this video.